Try out this Soda Plus soda maker that I bought from TikTok shop for 798 with gas cylinder. Air soda gas cylinder. So let's start to make soda water. Let's make soda water using this Soda Plus that I got from TikTok shop from a store TikTok shop. And this one is the gas cylinder, air soda gas cylinder that is included in this Soda Plus. So let's start. Put this here. Put the gas bomb, air soda gas cylinder, gas bomb in this Soda Plus. Let's taste this soda water using this Soda Plus that I brought from a TikTok shop. And then I put air soda gas cylinder, professional gas bomb in this Soda Plus. So I made some soda water. So let's taste it. Soda water. So let's taste what we make. So using Soda Plus and gas cylinder, professional gas bomb. Tastes like soda water. So you can buy this Soda Plus at a TikTok shop, plus this air soda gas cylinder, professional gas bomb. So you can make some soda water, fruit soda at home. Anyway, happy shopping!